one of the companies which faces allegation in this entire case of the 14 crore bribery scam that's been leveled by the army chief. That's Tatra. He's a Ravi Rishi, chairman of the Vector Group, which produces the Tatra truck, has rejected the army chief's allegation that a bribe of 14 crore rupees was offered to push the order pending with the army. Rishi alleged that the army chief was trying to promote another company instead. He spoke to NDTV to clarify Vector Tatra's stand.
Well, joining me now is Mr. Rishi from Vectra. Sir, the army chief has levelled allegations that bribe was offered to him to try and clear these trucks. Your response to that?
In fact, I've been answering these questions so much now that I'm quite used to it. The problem is not what he's alleging. The thing is that we don't need it because our trucks are sold, not trucks, even parts of the trucks only are sold to BML, which is a company under the Ministry of Defence, and we do not have any direct connection with the Ministry of Defence. So I do not understand the reason or the background or genesis of this allegation made by the chief.
And those allegations have surfaced now, specifically the fact that he's actually talked about this and inquiry is underway.
No, I'm quite happy that there's an inquiry because that just helps us to clear our name not only in India but all over the world, because such allegations do affect our business in other military customers in other countries. Tatra sells to 38 militaries in the world.
What about the entire process of open bidding? Now, is Vectra in favor of that?
I have no problem because Tatra has a type of truck which is unique all over the world. It is not only in India. We make our trucks, and even the very advanced armies like Israel, US, they all buy Tatra.
So in fact, we spoke with you some time ago, in fact, and you'd actually said that perhaps another company was being pushed. You talked about the Ural India, in fact.
That's what I've been given to understand. The chief was very much in the favor of introducing another company, and that is why this is all hearsay. I have nothing to confirm it, but I believe it.
But now, in fact, MOD guidelines have changed. 3 of those companies, Ural India, Ashok Leyland and Tata Motors, are in the running as well.
Yeah, I'm informed that, and so is BEML.
So what about the kind of prices that Vectra actually buys these vehicles at and then sells them? So what's the difference in that?
Vectra does not buy them.
I mean, in terms of sourcing and the selling, what's the actual commission component that Vectra would get?
Why would Vectra? Vectra is the owner of Tatra. Please understand, Vectra is a 100% owner of Tatra Slovakia. Vectra is the largest shareholder in Tatra, and transfer pricing and other rules in Czech Republic do not allow us to do this.
So also now, Ministry of Defence says that there should be a technology transfer. That's not really coming through as far as the actual manufacturing of this vehicle here eventually goes.
No, I have confirmed that even now, today, we do not sell trucks to BEML. We sell them only parts of the truck. And these parts over the years from 2002 have reduced from 70% to 40% only. There are some parts which are IPR of Tatra, which we believe is our IPR, and we would not like to part. No truck manufacturer in the world makes 100% of the parts.
How do you see this panning out in the next couple of days? Because it seems to only be now expanding the scope of entire inquiries as well. Your, in fact, comments were that perhaps the army chief himself was actually promoting another company.
No, mine is right, but now today, I have just seen them now in various TV programs and various newspapers. I believe the chief is not only under one trouble, he's created a lot of other troubles for himself or for the government.
But you've added to his troubles. In fact, you've actually said that perhaps the chief himself is pushing for one company.
No, but that is the reason I could attribute to why he wants to say all these things. I have no, as I said, it's a hearsay. But I believe it because I think it's possible.
So, and are you in touch with officials as well, both from investigative agencies as well as the government on this particular issue, these allegations which have been raised? Have they contacted you?
No, I have not been contacted, and it's surprising that I have never been to South Block ever. Not even now, but even before, I have never been to South Block.
What about Tajinder Singh, sir? What about his links with your company?
His links, I have never met him, I do not know him, and we do not employ him. Vectra does not work with consultants and commission agents in India.
But the fact that the chief has alleged that he essentially had gone ahead and probably offered this on the company's behalf.
probably he's trying to kill two birds with one stone, no? Tejinder Singh and Tatra.
Thank you so much. Well, as you heard it there, that's not the end of the matter, but definitely the inquiries are underway, and this matter definitely increasing and expanding as we speak.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app for the channel you trust.